hope you are always fine. Okay, in this video we study about differences between syntax and grammar. Let's study together. Grammar and syntax are different. There are two disciplines that overlap each other as they are both in useful the construction in sentences, phrases, and as well as words in any language. They both deal with the rule and structure governing a language, which make most people conclude that they refer to the same concept. However, this assumption can never be true, and depending on the need that you have to know their desperation line, you can get the different variation from several perceptions. The differences between grammar and syntax. What is syntax? Syntax is defined as the arrangement of words and phrases in language to create a well-structured or well-formed sentence. It also studies the set of participle, rules, process governing the structure of sentences in any language. It is an important discipline of linguistics since the meaning of a sentence can change depending on its structure. Syntax basically studies sentences, drawing a clear inner division between the different parts of the sentence. A sentence is divided into two major parts. The parts are the subject and a predicate. And then what is grammar? Grammar refers to a set structure of rules that governs how sentences, clauses, words, and phrases in a language are contributed. Grammar is a broader examination, studies word classes, their function, inflection, and relations in a particular sentence. Other aspects like accidents, that is the inflection of word, referring to spelling, and syntax, referring to structure of sentences, also fall under the grammar categories. Grammar rule and structure are varied. Their variances are based on the different languages available. For instance, the English language follows the structure of a subject, verb, object, while the Hindi language follows a subject, object, and verb pattern. And then we are going to possible similarities between grammar and syntax. Grammar and syntax deals with the rules and structures of language. They determine most result about what the sentence seeks to convey, while syntax studies the rule and structure. Grammar is the set of rule. And then we are going to differences between grammar and syntax. The first is syntax is descriptive, that is, it's only observe the rules. Grammar is prescriptive, it is strict on how they should be used and provide guidance. And the second, grammar is the rule of language, while syntax is the rule governing word order. And the third, grammar is more general linguistic term and it's applied in every usage. Syntax, on the other hand, is a discipline of linguistics. And then we are going to the example of grammar and syntax. Tom went to the store. The grammar, Tom, the third person singular nouns when the past tense verb to preposition, an article, store, and another noun. And then we are going to the syntax. The simple sentence consists of one independent subject. It includes one subject like a Tom and one predicate went to the store, which includes one direct object, the store. And then we are going to the next example. After winning the grammar, Maria and her friends celebrate in the locker room. In the grammar, after subordinating conjunction, winning modify the progressive verb, an article, game, a noun, and the conjunction, Maria the third person singular noun, her possessive pronoun, friend pronoun, celebrate the past tense verb in the preposition, an article, locker adjective, room, the noun. And then we are going to the syntax. A compound sentence is formed by a dependent clause, yaitu after winning the game, and then combined with an independent clause, yaitu Maria and her friends celebrate in the locker room. The subject, Maria and her friends, is a part of both clauses. Okay, I think enough. Do you understand? Do you any question? If you any question, feel free to ask. And then I hope my video can benefit to you. See you for the next video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.